Natalie Colantolo, and tomorrow, April 26, I would like to invite all my fellow yogis, especially the freedom fighters, aka MAD, Meet the Difference. Tomorrow we have a special live webinar with our CEO, Mr. David Martin of Smart Media Technologies. It's going to start at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Philippine, Malaysia time. If you are really interested and to know more about where the company is heading, then you should be there in the webinar. Again, this is only for Yobsen owners who would like to make their business to the next level. Yobsen stands for your own branded social network, the only shared revenue social networking company. And Smart Media Technologies is a US-based, almost 6 years old company, and we were given the certificate of member in good standing by the Nevada, USA government. So guys, tomorrow it's a date with my fellow yogis, my fellow Yobsen owners in the country and in Asia Pacific. See you there tomorrow 2 p.m. Philippine time. In the Philippine time, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so get your webinar link from your back office and see you around. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connect with Jeff. Thank you so much and have a great weekend. Bye bye.